How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampy's workshop. Well, we've got quite a nice day today. Beautiful, nice sun. I think it's plus 10 maybe, even more. Anyway, we're going to go check our sap, see what we have. I didn't get out yesterday. Had to go to town, just about killed the day. And it was, by the time I got home it was cold. And, well, I just didn't want to head out. But anyways, here it is today. And you can see, she's nothing but lovely today, boys. So let's hop on the bike. Go check my sap. I'm also going to take some more buckets and some taps with me today in the drill, because I might put some more in if it's running good. So let's go. Well, we're back at the sugar bush here, and I think I'm just going to take a hike in and see if I have any sap first of all, before I start dragging bottles and gear in. So come on along, we'll go look. Sap hunting we will go, sap hunting we will go. Well, you know what? There's a little bit of sap in the buckets, but it's not worth collecting. None in that fella. Don't know why he's not running. Sitting right there in the sun, proud as anything, should be going good. In fact, it's pretty wet around that hole. I wonder if my taps are leaking. I wouldn't want to lose all my sap down the tree. Not in the bucket. Ah, that tap. Well, it's a little wet around the hole, isn't it? Just one sec till I set you down here. We examine this a little closer. No, it holds a good vacuum, so the tap isn't leaking. And you can see that bucket, it might have half a liter in it. So I'm going to let that stay there and mature a little bit. Well, dang. Today is Wednesday, put the taps in on Sunday. So I don't know. I thought I'd be boiling on the weekend, but maybe not. Another dry hole. There's just little drizzles in them. I guess there's still maybe, I don't know, too much snow cover. If it's nice tomorrow, I'll come out again and check. I can't boil till I get it. That's all there is to it. So, and I don't have it yet. So here I go. Shut out again. So I'm going to head back out to the bike. And if you notice, my shoulders are a little sloped and stooped. It's because I'm kind of disappointed and sad that I didn't get any sap. Tomorrow's another day. So we'll talk to you.